US Fire Pump. The high-velocity fire pump is a groundbreaking design by US Fire Pump. At 6000 GPM, this pump is the largest NFPA-rated pump in the industry. Ideal for large water flow in industrial, oil, gas, marine, nuclear, military, and municipal fire departments. Ideal for any facility that needs maximum firefighting support, the Enclave Skid unit offers maximum water flow in the compact package. This unit features a high-velocity pump, remote-controlled deck gun, and corrosion protection. Many of the US Fire Pump products flow together to reach an impressive 30,000 GPM water flow rate during the first Industrial Fire Symposium held in Baton Rouge, Louisiana in November 2017. Road Printer. The road printer is a machine with which you can repave the entire street with a width of 1 to 6 meters, optionally expandable in one go. The edge finish can be laid immediately. The advantage of this is that the road worker does not have to get down on his knees afterwards to work on everything. Lindsay. Global growth comes with unique challenges and exciting promises. At Lindsay, they are innovating and expanding the world's potential by providing advanced irrigation, infrastructure, and industrial technology solutions that benefit us all, enabling global populations to grow safely and sustainably. Lindsay is driven to provide road authorities and contractors flexible and sustainable infrastructure solutions that improve the safety of our roads and the way people move on them. Their flagship product, the Road Zipper system, provides a smarter, safer, and faster way to manage congestion and improve the way people move on the road, today and for the future. This cost-effective, reusable solution uses a barrier transfer machine to lift barriers that can easily reconfigure travel lanes in real time, all while maintaining a secure barrier between the lanes. Cranman. Cranman AB manufactures and sells trailers, machinery, accessories for ATV, forestry, and construction equipment. With over 15 years of experience in development and manufacturing, Cranman was first in the world to produce hydraulic cranes for ATVs. Today, the product range also includes forwarders, smaller tractor trailers, and construction accessories. Cranman AB has a nationwide network of over 80 resellers in Sweden and the rest of Europe and Canada. The company Argus, well known for their double-shaft shredding machines, is one of the world's leading suppliers of exceptional shredder with extremely high mobility way ahead of its competition. Combined with the spirit of innovation radiated by their employees, their products are flagships for strong and steady growth as well as economic success. Since the company was founded in 2007, approximately 200 employees have been producing trend-setting solutions for the processing of green waste, stem and waste wood, plastics and industrial waste, scrap metal as well as construction waste and minerals on the grounds of the company in Leimbach, Thuringia. Argus offers a wide range of solutions for separating pre-shredded wood, waste and metal. Through the use of various cleaning technologies, they are able to fine-tune their products according to customer-specific requirements in terms of throughput, fraction size, and the type of material. In addition, they also take care of the design and integration of stationary shredding solutions into existing facilities. Depending on the application and the available site conditions, they expand the project with conveyor systems, sorting lines, and magnetic stations. If you watched this far, I believe you must have enjoyed watching this video. So if you could leave a like and subscribe to this channel, that would help this channel to a great extent. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day.